Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a pony. And look at this picture. This is a red pony, and it's a little bit of circle here, and the bottom a little bit flat, and there's a stem here. Okay, and before I paint, get more orange, a little bit of dark red. Okay, I'm going to start with the bottom here. Okay, lay down my brush and shake a little bit. Shake on the edge, and another one. This is another. Okay. Here, one more. More color. Orange, red. Okay. The tip of my brush didn't leave the paper at all. Okay. A little bit more here. Fix the edge a little bit. Okay, fill up some gap. There's some gap here. Fill it up. And then I'm going to use some black. Before I use black, I'm going to paint the stem first. Okay, and here, central tip down. Okay, and now I'm going to add some ink, pure ink. Less water, fairly dry, and I'm going to paint the stem a little bit. There's some pointing thing here, okay, and still very dry here. There's the center of the flower. Okay, there's some center of the flower. Okay, here. And now I'm going to add pure orange and dark red to blend this color together. Here. There are some parts very dark. The edge here. If I want, I can go more detail, just add some pattern. You can stop right here, but if you want, you can add some pattern. Okay, there's a little bit went out. Okay, this is done. This is how you paint a pony. Thank you for watching.